It's time for another cartoon!
The winner of the twist contest, Junior Barry. And here is your prize, a real live monkey.
Hey, you're a cute little fella. I'm gonna take you home. I'm gonna name you Bunky. Bunky the monkey. Now you be quiet. If my dad finds you here, he'll kick us both out. Cut it out with the monkey shines. I'll hide you here in the closet.
Charlie, wake up, Charlie.
Wait, what?
There's somebody in the house.
All right, I got you covered. Come out with your hands up. 1, 2, 3.
The monkey, he's gone. Bunky, what are you doing? Put those eggs back.
What's going on down there? Dead rat gumfuzzled.
Oh my gosh, that's the prowler. Charlie, what are you doing in the chimney? Oh, Charlie, why are you hiding under my blanket?
I'm gonna find out what's going on around here, or I'm a monkey's uncle.
Charlie, why are you in the washing machine?
Bessie, there's a monkey in this house.
Bunky, get out of here.
Hey, who's in there? Come on out.
Charlie, why are you taking a bath at 4 in the morning?
I'm gonna make you a member of the family if it's the last thing I do.
Oh, look. Somebody left a baby on our doorstep. Oh, you precious little thing.
Hey, what's going on? Did somebody leave a baby on the doorstep?
Yes, Junior. Isn't he just darling?
First time I ever seen a baby with a tail. That's the monkey.
Charlie, why are you brushing your teeth at a time like this?
Bessie, either that monkey goes or I go.
Well, goodbye, dear.
Yeah, goodbye. We're gonna miss you.
Gillet to dog, neck, exploring, or whether I can